In the previous video, we created a rectangle, but if your intention is to actually create a rectangle, you don't have to go through this ASO. There is this simpler function to use, so let me show you. So func draw rectangle. This always is something better, isn't it? So there's always something better. Let's use these 3 lines. Okay, maybe we should actually put these 3 lines in the function as well, but it's all right. Let's increase the line width. Let's just play around with things and color. What shall we use this time? Can we use a brown? Okay, now that we have that, we need to create a rect. Let rectangle equals to CG rect. So CG point is just a point on the screen with an X and Y. CG rect is a rectangle, so you have to provide 4 values, which is going to be the point where you want it to start, and then the width and the height. So let's start from the same place we've been starting, 50, 50. What should be the width? Let's say 300. You can use 350. And then the height, let's say 150. So that's how much we want it to. If you want to create a square, of course, you have to make the width and the height equal. And then we have to say context dot add rect. It's going to add a rectangle. Oh, that's my alarm. So it's going to add a rectangle to a rectangular path to the current path. So let's add that. So we're going to pass in the rectangle. And then we just have to simply say context dot stroke path. As you can see, that's a lot less headache. Have we called the function? I don't think we have. So let's call the function and run it again. So this is how you draw a rectangle. Oops, it's too big. The width is too much, so let's reduce it to 250. There you go. So brown rectangle with only a few lines of code. Thank you.